All right, guys, I want to show you something that I actually learned like this week. One of my coworkers asked me about this, and it's like, well, you know what? Really don't know how to do that. Um, if I want to apply an appearance to the internal parts inside of this, I could do like a select other and select a face and try to do it. But often people will try to do like a section view, right? And if I'm in a section view here, what you may have noticed, maybe not, is if I go in and I find an appearance I wanted to apply here to a face or something, you get this. So there's actually a really simple workaround, and I really have the setting as a default anyway. If I use section here, there's an option for graphics only section. Not only does this allow me to apply appearances, which we'll see here in a second, it also is a lot faster. So if I go ahead and grab this, apply that to the face, you can see there, it's not a problem. So um, graphics only section. Hopefully you guys find it useful. Like I said, it's something that can really speed up those section views. So hope this helps you guys. Have a great day.